if I want to be bold and empowering, my makeup look will resemble that. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I need help. I have put on some weight and now I don't know if either one of these dresses will fit me or not. So I got a backup. I've got this green suit and the second outfit is this black dress with this work. I just wanted to do get ready with me, and when getting ready always make content for YouTube. I'm gonna go change. So outfit number one is this. It is tight. Let's see. Let's try the second outfit and then we'll decide. Finally सही तरीके से fitting आ चुकी है. It means I can wear this one. Let's get started. I got these crocodile something. Washed my face. Now I'm gonna start with my favorite product from Urban Decay. Oh, the fragrance is amazing. I love the fragrance of coconut. Then my favorite moisturizer. For my skin type, I definitely love these products. My skin type is oily, T-zone. This cheeks part is dry to normal. And this moisturizer is extremely hydrating. Look at my face. These two products and just the glow already starts coming in. For the pores on my nose, this is PAC Separation Primer. You get flawless skin. Few moments ago, my face was like, and just 3 products into it, and it feels soft, glowing. The skin barrier has been taken care of. I don't like to rush when doing makeup. मतलब मैंने mostly लोगों को देखा है 2 minute makeup, 5 minute makeup, and I am like, please take your time with makeup. The feminine essence loves slowness. While you apply your makeup, feel as if you are the most beautiful woman on this earth. That's what adds to your confidence. Usually I use color corrector. मतलब इतना कंटेंट यूट्यूब पे आ चुका है कि सबको पता है भाई कलर करेक्ट तो करना ही पड़ेगा. सबको मेकअप ऑलमोस्ट यूट्यूब वालों ने सिखा दिया है. यूट्यूब वाले मेकअप आर्टिस्ट ने सिखा दिया है. A little bit here. When I am applying makeup, it looks like I am applying to hide my flaws, but what in reality am I doing? I am still loving those parts of myself. Even आप पार्लर जाओ तो आंटियाँ क्या करेंगी, आपके ये हो गया, आपके वो हो गया. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, आपके फ्लॉज आपको गिनाए जा रहे हैं. एक तो आप वैसे ही काफ़ी हो, है ना. मिरर में 50 बार खुद को देखते हो और 50 बार गलतियाँ निकालते हो कि भाई मैं आज ऐसी लग रही हूँ, भाई मैं आज ऐसी लग रही हूँ. आई थिंक जितनी बार खुद को मिरर में आप देखते हो, यू शुड ओनली प्रेज योर सेल्फ. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट, everybody is going to praise you, because that is a woman who is in love with herself. The rest, my foundation is going to do it for me. Always shake before you apply. I love this brand. Someday I would like to collaborate with a brand which is either this or which is as good as this one. My skin but better. See the difference? My skin, just going to be my skin. I don't need to be 5 tones fairer than my own skin. Just 1 or 2 is enough. I think it should look natural, not like I'm a different person. Never forget the neck. अगर इसमें देख के करूंगी तो फिर तो हो गया भाई मेरा मेकअप. Do as much makeup as you want to do, but do not stop doing it just because somebody has told you that natural beauty is better, or that you just look good without makeup, the more you do feminine stuff, the stuff that makes you feel feminine. Feminine is whatever makes you feel connected to your body. We are going to use start next. If somebody tells me that it's just a normal function, you don't need to dress up so much, I will dress as much as I want to. ये बगावत नहीं होती. This is my way of self love. Yesterday somebody asked me, a friend of mine who has also been my student for makeup ritual course. So I was telling, a friend of mine asked me that, do you love doing makeup? Does it make you happy? It is not the makeup alone that makes me happy, it is the transformation I feel from within. Not because I am a different person now, but because I'm a better version of myself. Just because people tell that natural beauty, makeup is also natural beauty. I feel it that it is natural beauty, just a bit more enhanced. I love doing makeup for myself as well as for my clients. Their own beauty, but more enhanced. I think that is the purpose of makeup. It was never to make somebody feel that they are less. It was always to be whoever you want to be, whenever you want to be. Right now, if I want to be in the feeling of self love, that's what I'm doing. Then, if I want to be bold and empowering, my makeup look will resemble that. Okay, you can either be bold, you can be a soft feminine. At that point, makeup will help you do that. Right now, I'm going for soft feminine vibe. थोड़ा थोड़ा करने के चक्कर में मैंने बहुत ही थोड़ा कर दिया. So I am adding a small layer of it again. See? Even my friends ask me, how's it going? Do you like doing makeup? Who doesn't like makeup? Please let me know in the comments who does not like makeup and why you don't like it. A lady can handle a lot more than you think. I am a blush girl more than a contour girl. Different people like different things on their face. Some like more blush, some like more highlighter, some like more contour. If you have any questions about this, you can ask me in the comments. In my own world, I am the most beautiful one. In yours, you should be. The blush, the eyebrows, whenever there is an excess, just remove it. Since I am going for soft feminine, I am going for pinks. Now I have two pink. One is pink nude and one is brown nude shade. So which one would look better? Let me show you. See, looks good, right? Let me apply the other one on the upper side. Which one? Let's mix. For eyes, I am going to be using first a black kajal. People usually use this and then do it tuck 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 and waste the product. I tuck 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 here. The shadow effect. If you want to make your eyes look bigger, this is the color you should be using. And especially for Indian skin, even if your outfit is of different colors, you if you want your eyes to look bigger rather than going for pink, go for blacks, browns. And then here and here. Not taking any more color. The most important step. When you are done with this, just do this. Did I forget to make part of this? So what I did is just I took shimmer from my Viseart palette and just applied it here. So that's all I did. So our makeup look is almost complete. Just a brown shade under the lash line. Tell me in the comments what is the only step that is missing right now. Oh, we have two steps missing right now. I'm about to do it. One is mascara and the other one is see, everybody has a particular feature that they are proud of. Good lashes, good cheek, you know, cute cheeks, or very sharp jawline. Depending on that, you choose which areas you are going to focus on. For example, your eyes are very beautiful. Your your focus will be here definitely, but if your lips are a bit smaller, your added focus will be on that part to make it more balanced. Fixer. Okay, fixer. Where is my fixer? Nobody could capture behind the scenes. Otherwise, I would have shown how I was running, charging my mic while I was changing, because I forgot to charge both of these and still managed to make an entire video. I'm proud of myself. You should always tell yourself positive things, because people outside occasionally tell you something negative. Sometimes you yourself say something negative to yourself. So your inner child feels criticized. You give all the love to yourself. I got jewelry in gold for this, and for that outfit in silver. I'm going to show you the two earrings I got to wear with this one. Either this pearl one, or both are pearls. This or that. Hmm? I like this more. Tell me in the comments which one you like more, this or that. Okay? I look gorgeous. This looks nice. Brilliant. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.